I'm here in my newly renovated kitchen. If you're just joining us, I'm Wendy Moore from the Interiors Edit, and I am revealing the hardest working spaces in my reno, the kitchen and the laundry. Join me and find out what we've done. These rooms had to be practical, stylish and ready for family life. So let's take a look and see how these rooms all came together. This was the biggest transformation. The old kitchen was dark and cramped, so adding this whole new space created a bright, functional room that flows beautifully. It's a flat pack kitchen from Caboodle. I installed it myself with a little help from my friends in just one weekend. It's the finishes that make all the difference. Sleek cabinetry, stunning stone bench tops and brushed brass hardware for a touch of warmth. I love how this kitchen works. There's room to cook, entertain and connect, and every single piece was chosen for style and durability, from the flooring to the appliances right to this incredible bench top that I've installed. In the laundry, I kept it simple but smart. Durable surfaces, plenty of storage and a layout that works for busy families. This space is ready for its future family and I could not be happier with how it turned out. Next up, the bathrooms reveal. Follow along to see.